And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrex back in our video. Today we're looking at the Aqara curtain driver. Pretty much a Wi-Fi powered so that you can open and close your curtains. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to see more videos like smart home devices, robot vacuums, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. And without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is made by Aqara. We're gonna open this up and show you what's inside the box, test it out today, and review it as well. I'm pretty excited about this product because I like my smart home devices, so I don't have to do anything at home. Pretty lazy, right? You just wanna automatically do stuff at home without clicking anything, and I'll just automatically do it for you. Boom. So inside here, if I know how to open this, USB-C cable right there. Ooh, what is that? Now tell me in the comments below what you think that is. Different clips like this. You get a bunch of those right there. Little cradle right there. It's the one that goes on the curtain rod right there. And then here we see is the driver itself. There's really nothing to it, just a roller up top, couple hooks on the side. There you go. USB-C slot right there to charge it, and a power button on the front, indicator light as well. It also has an Aqara logo right there. Pretty nice. Then of course it comes with an instruction manual. Let's go ahead and install this. Here we go.
Now when you're getting one of these, make sure you look at what version of curtain rod do you have. There's the rod version and then there's the track version. So make sure to buy the right version. So regular rod would fit this, so make sure it's 25 to 32 millimeter. If you're not sure, just measure around it and make sure it's 79 to 100 millimeters. Now in between the rings, make sure that it's greater than 95 millimeters. It actually worked well for my end, and this is pretty standard spacing for curtains. For the automatic setup as well, you need to have closure on both ends or else the motor will just fly away from the rod. For rods, it says that you're not allowed to use extendable or curved ones, but in my case I was able to use an extendable one actually, but I cannot use the automatic setup. I'll show you later on how to do that. The app we're looking at today is the Aqara Home. Before you connect the curtain driver, you do need a G3 hub. It also works with Zigbee and IFTTT. So make sure you have one of the hubs that works with this curtain E1. Once you made an account and ready to go, we're gonna add a new accessory here and we're gonna look for the curtain driver E1. After we select that, we're gonna identify our camera hub G3 and make sure that it is working. And once we're good to go, we're just gonna click that so that we can pair it to that hub. We're gonna now long press that button on that driver, and since we're doing a double curtain, then we'll have to do this twice. If you have one curtain, you only have to do it once and then double curtain twice. Just a reminder that when you're buying the curtain driver E1, that it needs two different drivers for each side of the curtains. So just take note of that so that next time when you buy, you don't have to go back and forth in the store. Just buy it all at once. Once you paired them together and you've synced them into one group, then we'll be able to install the driver on our rod by just clipping this on top like so, and then we're gonna hook in the driver right at the bottom of that. First, we're gonna double press the button on the front and then make sure that that button is facing the window. Once you got all that, really it's just a matter of just hooking it to the two holes, and really that's it. Once it's hooked, press the two buttons again and then it'll retract back so that the motor is touching the rod. After that, we're gonna go into the app again. We're gonna set up so how far it opens and how far it closes. Right now, because I have an adjustable curtain rod, I am using the custom settings rather than the intelligent settings. I tried using the intelligent settings with the adjustable curtain rod and it pretty much just flew away my driver to the floor, so don't do that. But if you have a straight non-adjustable rod, then go ahead and use the intelligent setting. The intelligent setting is really easy, it's just one click of a button. But with the custom setting, you'll be able to use it any rod that you want, and you'll be able to set what is fully open and what's fully closed. So we're just gonna do that right now and set it up, and then we're gonna show you that it actually works. So right now it's asking us please set the position of the curtain fully open, so we're just gonna hit open until our curtain driver is actually hit the very close to the very end, and then we're gonna hit stop. Make sure to hit stop or else something wrong will happen. Once you've done that, make sure to do exact same thing on the fully closed, and make sure that before it hits the middle of it where the curtain rod pretty much extends, make sure to hit stop. I've also placed the adjustable part right in the middle of where the connection is, so there's no transition on rods on each side. It's just one small on one side and one big on the other side. This way, when the driver rolls on the rod, it won't have different size of rod in between, so it'll be able to roll whichever way it wants. So once you're done the left side, now we're gonna do the right side. Make sure that again we're using the custom travel again, not the intelligent route setting. Again, if you have a straight non-adjustable rod, then you'll be able to use the intelligent without any hiccups whatsoever, and it's actually recommended by Aqara for you to use that. But if you are me and you are using an adjustable rod, then you'll be able to just use the custom, and without any doubts it'll work anyway. Once you're done setting it up, it should look like this, and then you'll be able to adjust each side whatever you want. You can have it in the middle. Actually, you can place it to whatever you want. It doesn't have to be fully closed or fully open. At this point, you can call it good, but Aqara also provided clips and also the little tape, clear tape on there, so we're gonna show you how to do that now. With the rubber strip and the clips, you're just gonna measure the shortest distance between outer edges, and then you're just gonna use the clip on to there with the holes like so. You're gonna measure then on how many holes in between are, and as mentioned earlier, we have 6 holes in between clips, so we're just gonna put another clip after the 6th hole. Once you're done, it should look like this, and then we're gonna use this to clip onto the top of our curtains. So for example, right here, the first wrinkle, this is where we're gonna put our driver, and then from there we're gonna clip on the clips on the inside part of the wrinkles. And then once you've done that, you're gonna do the exact same thing by double clicking the driver, and it should work like so. Once we go into the app, we're gonna go into the automation here on the settings, and basically we're gonna set if something happens, then let's say the curtain driver will open. So for example, we're gonna go if, and then the timer would be around whatever time we want our curtain to open or close, and then the then will then put open or close. So timer would be around, let's say, every day, and then the time is around 10 a.m. or whatever you want to open your curtains, and then then we're gonna set it as open. Now in this case, we set it as 10 in the evening. Our curtain driver will close. There you go. That's it. Really easy. At this point, you can just add more automation so that you don't have to touch the app at all, and it'll do everything for you. You could set it by location, that if you go home, then the curtains will open or something like that.
And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope we was able to help you on your choice on a brand new curtain driver. This is the first time I've tried this, and I think it works really well. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is pretty useful for your home. I would definitely recommend this for people who wants to schedule different opening and closing of your windows. And I would like to actually get more of these throughout my home, so that in the main floor everything will be automated. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below, hit the like button as well, so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. See you at the comments below. Peace.